Okay, Caillou and Rosie. We are going for a car ride to the store so I can get some food because I don't have any food at the house.
No. I'm not going to the store. I want to stay home and watch TV instead.
No, Caillou. You are not staying home today. You are coming with us and that's final. Now shut up and get in the car now.
Hey. Come on, Dad. Can't we just do it in another day?
For the last time, Caillou. No. We are going to the store to get some food. Now shut the hell up.
You guys are stupid ugly parents.
What did you say to us?
Oh. Nothing.
That's what I thought.
Are we there yet, Dad? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
For the last freaking time, Caillou. No. We are not there yet. Bo is super angry. Wait.
Boris, watch the road. Oh my god, we are going to crash.
Holy crap. Is everyone okay?
Yes. We are okay. But now our car is wrecked and we can't go to the store today to buy our food today.
This is all Caillou's fault. You are so grounded for life, Caillou. You are in big trouble.
No. I hate Rosie. I'm going to kill him.
Caillou. Put the gun down, Caillou. How dare you kill Rosie? Now I'm very angry at you for killing Rosie. Bo is super angry. That's it. I'm going to kill you now. Bo is super angry. There. Caillou is now gone forever.